Hi everyone, I'm filming a short tutorial or tips for walking meditation. A couple of years ago I published a text with the title The Secrets of the Marathon Monks, and in that text I was speaking of the secrets of marathon monks, which is to use tantric mantras and the so-called bone vibration in helping them to reinvigorate and remove physical and psychological tensions during the course of their long marathons, long walks. So usually when I take a walk, first of all, a couple of basics. So you take a relatively short step, toes pointing forward, heels pointing backward, knees and hips close to each other, shoulders relaxed and arms hanging, like you can see my left arm, chest without tension. Now I'm speaking, so I'm kind of panting my breath, but if I wasn't, my breath would be not in the shoulders but resting more in the belly. So what I usually do, it can be like a longer stretch, let's say couple of kilometers when I walk, or doing it in short stretches, is that I not so much in the purpose of cutting through the layers of mind, but more in the capacity of bone vibration, that I'm using the syllables of the Guru mantra like this: Na, Mu, Gu, Ru, Rin, Ho, She, Na, Mo, Ye, She, Tso, Gyal, Ye, Na, Mo, Gu, Ru, Rin, Ho, She, Na, Mo, Ye, She, Tso, Gyal, Ye. So what it does is that not only that it brings in the presence and blessings of Guru Rinpoche and Yeshe Tsogyal, the gurus of Pemaka Buddhism, but it also, with each syllable, it creates a vibration in the bones. So just like you can, if you start chanting sitting still, you can feel that your bones everywhere in the body, they gently vibrate. And this is the key to well, if you're in a crappy shape like myself, it's a key to removing the tensions and reinvigorating during walking and after it. But also if you're in a better shape and can walk, let's say 10, 15, 20 kilometers or even a marathon like the Japanese monks, that's how they are able to keep going. Okay, so I'll continue my walk here in sunny and beautiful weather of southern Finland. Cheers everyone!